The NIRA Pro is finally available in the US. It's the first and only painless at-home laser that's FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, with a large enough tip to treat the entire face in just 3 minutes a day. If you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I'm 48 years old. I make videos mostly about beauty devices. So if you're interested in that topic, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, and I have a private Facebook group all about beauty devices. I will leave links to all of this down in the description in case you're interested. In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the NIRA Pro. I have a demo, and I also have some before and after photos that the NIRA team shared with me so that we can take a look at real results from real people. I have a special link that you can click through to shop the NIRA Pro. I'll leave that down in the description, so make sure you head down there, click through, get your device before they sell out. I know this device has been extremely popular internationally, so it's most likely going to sell out in the US, so make sure to grab it while you can. I also have a special promo code so you can save when you shop, so I will leave that down in the description as well. So if you already watch my channel, you know that I am obsessed with my NIRA precision laser that I use to treat my eyes, specifically my hooded eyes. The head is a lot smaller here. I'm able to treat both of my hooded eyes in just a couple minutes a day. I have never found any beauty device that treats my hooded eyes as well as this laser. I use it almost every single day to keep my eyes looking youthful, and I know a lot of people use it on other parts of their face. So what's really exciting about this new Pro laser is that the head is so much larger, so you can treat your face, your neck, your hands, your chest so much faster than ever before. I will be reviewing all the features of this new Pro device so that you understand how it works and how it's different from the original precision laser. And I'll show you in a demo how I use this laser. The NIRA Pro uses the same non-fractional laser technology that dermatologists use. It gently heats the dermis to stimulate natural collagen production without any downtime and without any pain. This laser does have 5 levels, just like the precision laser, and you just push this button down at the bottom here to cycle through the different levels. You use the laser on clean, dry skin, and you can play around with what level your skin tolerates the best. I tend to use level 3 on my face and my neck, but as I move to my chest and my hands, I bump it up to level 5 because my skin is not as sensitive there. It's not supposed to hurt, it's supposed to be comfortable, there's no downtime. So a tip I have for you is make sure you use it on clean, dry skin. If you are feeling any pain, you can turn the level down. And a lot of people will ask me, will I still see results if I'm not using it on the highest level? You absolutely will see results. I have seen some people comment that they were able to work their way up to a higher level as their skin builds up tolerance to the laser. But if your skin is sensitive and you can only use the lower levels, that's totally fine, so don't worry about that. You should expect to see visibly firmer, more youthful skin within 90 days, or NIRA will give you your money back. So in addition to smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles, customers have also seen improvements in dark spots or dark circles. I personally have seen amazing results in lifting my hooded eyes with the NIRA laser technology, although this head of this laser is a little bit too large to get an effective tightening of your hoods. I'll show you that in the demo portion, but I still tend to like to use the precision laser on my hoods just because I can get right into that very small area and tighten it up really well. And so if you're using your precision laser in areas like around your mouth or around your hoods and you're seeing great results, you could add this laser to do the rest of your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, and get that same result that you're getting, but much faster. So in addition to dark circles, dark spots, hooded eyes, customers have seen improvements in hyperpigmentation, tone and texture, acne scars, rosacea and broken capillaries, and like I mentioned before, results in other parts of the body like neck, chest, back of hands. This laser is FDA cleared for the face, but you can use it on other parts of your body like neck, chest, back of hands, and that's what I do in my demo for you today. So the main differences between the NIRA Pro and the NIRA Precision is that this laser can treat your entire face in 3 minutes, whereas this laser will treat your eye area in 2 minutes, and that's per day, so 3 minutes a day, 2 minutes a day. And I use my NIRA laser almost every single day. With the NIRA Precision laser, you turn it on and then you adjust the level. And you have to push this button here at the top in order to activate the laser. So I'll show you here. As you move it, you're pushing the button, whereas with the NIRA Pro, You just turn it on, and with skin contact, the laser activates, so you don't have to push any button, and it's really convenient. So I just place it gently against my skin. You can see as I move it, the laser automatically activates without having to push a button. It does move a little bit slower, but with one beep, you're treating so much surface area that you can get done so much faster with your whole face than you could ever do with the precision laser. They're both FDA cleared, they're both suitable for all skin types, they both have no pain, redness, or downtime, and they both have a 90-day money-back guarantee. Now, like I always say with these devices, consistency is key, so you have to keep going, you have to keep it up, use it every single day, put it in your calendar. If you don't use it, you're not going to see results. And one of the biggest tips I have is to make sure you use the laser on clean, dry skin, and when you're done, make sure you use the hyaluronic acid serum to deeply hydrate your skin after you use the laser, because you are using heat to stimulate collagen. Afterwards, your skin will need something really hydrating like this hyaluronic acid to plump up your skin and make sure that it's hydrated. Some people have mentioned that their skin feels dry after using the laser. That's why it's so important to use the hyaluronic acid along with the laser to get the best results. So always use it on clean, dry skin so that it doesn't hurt, because if your skin is wet in any way, it can sting. So clean, dry skin, and then when you're done, put on the hyaluronic acid to hydrate your skin, and that's gonna really help you get the best results. Hyaluronic acid can hold 1,000 times its weight in water, so it's just a wonderful serum to put on your skin after the laser. And it's very important to add in a moisturizer on top of this to lock in all of that moisture. So what I often like to do is do a facial spritz to get my face damp and then put on the hyaluronic acid so there's some water for the serum to grab onto. Since it can hold 1,000 times its weight in water, I want to give it some moisture on the surface of my skin to hold onto instead of reaching deeper into my skin to pull out water. So do a facial spritz, and then I put on the hyaluronic acid serum, let it sink in for a couple of minutes, and then I'll add a moisturizer to really seal in that hydration. So that's the 3-step method that I use along with this laser to get the best results. I'm gonna show you the demo of how I use the laser. Like I said before, I use it on my face, I use it on my neck, I use it on my chest, and I use it on the back of my hands. I have these spots on the back of my hands that are really, really stubborn, so I will concentrate on these spots, and I will use the laser also to smooth out my hands. And my chest, I have a lot of sun damage on my chest here, so I have just started using it actually, and I'm using it every day, mostly on my chest area to see if I can see some results here, because I just spent so much time out in the sun when I was younger and didn't really protect this area. So and I haven't really been working on treating this area. So I think this is like the worst area right now for me compared to my neck, face, and hands, because I'm constantly treating these areas with all my other devices. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the results from using the NIRA Pro on my chest. So let's first get into the demo. I press the button to turn it on, and you will push the button to adjust the level. I use level 3 for my face and my neck, and you just hold the laser against your skin. It will activate the laser automatically. You don't have to push a button, and then you hear the beep and you move it to the next area on your face and just move it across the entire surface area of your face and your neck. And it's a good idea to use a mirror so you can make sure you're getting all the surface area of your skin. And I'm just moving it across my forehead now. I decided to speed up the footage here so you don't get bored watching me do the laser across my whole face. Remember, it only takes 3 minutes to do your entire face. And I'm finishing up the forehead area and making sure I get my 11s and going around my eyes. And then I wanted to slow it down for just this section and show you how I try to do my hooded eyes. I could lift up my eyebrow and try to get the hood, but it doesn't really work that great because the head of the laser is just so much larger than the precision laser. So I wanted to show you what it looks like, but I don't think that this laser is the best for your hoods. Maybe if you have more surface area around your hooded eyes, it could work for you, but I just don't think that this is the best for me personally. Now I'll speed it up again and show you the rest of my face. I do the cheeks, around the mouth, and then my other cheek, just working my way diagonally down the side of my face, going down down around my chin, working my way to the other side of my face. Then I like to do one full pass along my jawline underneath my chin just to make sure I tighten up that area. Then when I do my neck, I like to hold my hand on the center of my neck to make sure I don't use the laser in that area. So I just do the sides, and then I switch to level 5 and I do my chest. This area is less sensitive and I like to use it on a higher intensity. So I use level 5 and I just work it across the area that has the most sun damage. And then I move to the back of my hands, still on level 5, and I work it across the entire back of my hands, and I make sure I focus on those dark spots to make sure that I try to brighten those up. And then I finish the complete surface area of both of my hands, and then I turn it off and I apply some of the hyaluronic acid all over my face, around my eyes, on my neck, my chest, and the back of my hands, and I'm all set for the day. And now I'm going to show you the series of before and after photos. These are before and after photos of real people using the NIRA Pro for 90 days, and you can see here how much smoother her skin looks, especially around her jowls and her neck area. You can see fine lines diminished, you can see some lift, and you can see improved texture in her skin. And her eye area looks so much brighter and so much more youthful and tighter. In this next set of before and after photos, I see a huge improvement in her eye area. It looks like her under eye area is so much more smooth, it's tighter, it looks so much more youthful. And in this last set of photos, you can see her eye area is significantly improved. Her hooded eyes look more lifted. The under eye looks brighter and more youthful. And her whole cheek and jowl area looks more lifted, plumper, and tighter. And her jawline looks to be more defined. So thank you so much for watching my NIRA Pro video. Make sure you head down to the link in my description to grab your NIRA Pro before they sell out, and be sure to use my promo code so you can save at checkout. If you found this video helpful, please share with a friend, leave a like, leave a comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.